Go. Open na, open na. Open na.
But he wants to play the baby.
Huwag na mag-play ng baby.
Why? Why, Daddy? Why you doing what? Wow!
Ano?
Thank you!
Ano? Ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you po, Daddy.
Kiss ko? Wala pa akong kiss. Ano?
Hey, Wabe!
You say thank you to Lolo Jun and Mama Pe.
What?
You say thank you to Lolo Jun and Mama Pe.
Wow.
Mag-thank you kay Lolo Jun and Mama Pe.
Thank you, Wabe and Mama Pe.
Wag ganyan. Pa-forward lang.
Jesus, thank you for sa mercy and non-fight sa Diyos. Amen.
Ang galing naman. Ano, ikaw sing. Ano?
Daddy, fire me a bite. Daddy, watch me so much. Daddy, thank you po.
You're welcome always because you're so very mabait. A good kid. That's why the blessing will come to you. Always be a good girl, ha? Para the blessing will come to you always. Okay? Wow! Ang galing!
Thank you po, Daddy.
Okay, magwawash lang si Daddy, okay?
Opo.
Oh, mag-watch ka. Go, pedal. Lalong laging go. Matalino.
But I bump in this
It's okay.
strawberry things.
Yan.
Go, Nadine! Go, Nadine!
Go.
More
Oh,
easy.
nice. I'm so proud of you, Nadine. Go for it!
Yan, on the side.
Ay, may fight ka na. Ang init naman. Hindi pa siya marunong mag-ano.
Use the brake, ha? Use the brake. Yan. Yan.
Galing ah.
It's Callie.
I like it.
Then smile.
Kitty.
Smile muna. Smile. One more.
Init, nagbabike ka na.
Careful. Yan. Go.
Focus, Nadine.
Go.
Focus your bike.
Go. Move forward. Tapos pag
You know when we have a bike too?
slowly, pag magta-turn na, turn left. Slowly. Go. Go. Go.
Yan, very good.
Yan. You see?
Straight,
Galing.
straight,
Go, Nadine!
Go.
straight, straight.
Tapos don't forget the brake, ha?